All right, greetings from the New York City subway station. I'm about to get off here at Brooklyn Bridge on the number 6 train. The only reason I'm videotaping this is because I am the only person on this subway car. So people won't look at me like I'm a weirdo. Although there are plenty of weirdos you'll find on the New York City subway system. But that's part of the charm of it, you know, hopefully when it's safe. But few and far between are the incidents. So anyway, that is a little bit of a view inside the subway car, number 6 train, and we'll keep this rolling until we stop at Brooklyn Bridge. The previous stop was Canal Street. Before that, Spring Street, and I got on at 59th Street and Lexington Avenue. So here we are, Brooklyn Bridge. So we'll check out the Brooklyn Bridge and a little bit of downtown Manhattan. Okay, here we are, pulling into the station. Brooklyn Bridge. Keep this rolling for a little bit while I walk off the subway. Okay. Trying to find the stairs. Brooklyn Bridge. And here comes the number 5 train. There's the stairs. City Hall, Park, Chamber Street, Center Street. Did you say no? Okay, that's where you get your subway tickets. Pretty girl walking down the stairs. Here we go. All right, here we go. What is that? That's the Manhattan Court. Brooklyn Bridge is that way. I'm going to walk downtown to Wall Street. And we got the mayor's office right there. Maybe we'll walk over there. City Hall Park. Let's go this way. Can't really get a good view of the Brooklyn Bridge from here, but there it is. See it? Right there, Brooklyn Bridge. A lot of people walking it today for some reason. I don't think I've ever seen that before. Smoothies, chicken kebab. Quite a bit of people selling these, random fruit or smoothie stands. A lot more prevalent on the streets of Manhattan these days. There's some skyscrapers. There's City Hall Park. So Mayor Adams hard at work in there. No protests going on or anything. Okay. Interesting. I'm not sure what those people are waiting for. Here's the City Hall. There's a good view. Another fruit vendor here behind us, as mentioned. Let's just we'll take a little walk in the park. Nice little fountain there. Another view. City Hall. Nice vibe down here. At least during the daytime. Nighttime, it's certainly pretty quiet down here. All right, let's go in here in the park and let's showcase some of this. Fountain there. Not so sure about these sculptures here. Yeah, I'm not so sure about those sculptures. Yeah, thumbs down. Okay, here's another view of City Hall. Looks nice. And there's the fountain. Let's wrap it up here. So nice little visit on the subway and here in City Hall and Brooklyn Bridge Station on the 6 train, the subway line. So Randy Walker from New York City, over and out.